Hello everyone. The Frontdesk branch Odoo app helps you to handle a Frontdesk operations for the different branches in one company. User can access only their own branch while managers can see all. It also works smoothly with a multi-company setup. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the settings. Under user and companies, we have an option to create a branches. So over here, we have created a list of branches where you can add a name, company, telephone number, as well as the address. Now, after creating the branches, let's create an user. So for creating a user, we need to get to the user and companies where you can see the users. Now let me get into the one which we have already created, this which is in Mitchell admin, where you can see an option to enable in multiple branches, and we need to give an access for an branch, whether it will be an user or else a manager. Now, once we have given an access, we need to give an allowed branch for the user Y. So here in this, we need to add an allowed branch, and this will be the main branch that we have selected on the top. Now, after giving an access rights, let's get into the front desk where you can see the stations. Now, to create a station, we need to get into the configuration. Now here in this you can see the stations for all the branches. Now in this we can set up a branches. For example, we are in Mumbai. If user tries to add an Ahmedabad, it will show the warning to the user to change this same thing from the settings. So from here you can see I choose an Ahmedabad. Now I can select an Ahmedabad over here. Now this station is from Ahmedabad, and let's choose this is also from an Ahmedabad, where this is from in Mumbai. So let's switch to Mumbai, and for this I'm choosing the branch as Mumbai now. Now you can see based on and selection of the branch, it will display the stations. So while I'm getting into the station, you can see that particular branch related stations. Now, if I get into the Ahmedabad, you can see an Ahmedabad related stations. And also in the group by we have an filter option to filter it out. This filter is only used for example, if I need to list out and Mumbai stations too, so we can select this option. Now we can see a list of stations which we have, and if you need to filter based on the branches, you can filter it out. Now let's get into the visitor. So over here, we can see in Mumbai as well as in Ahmedabad related visitors that we have created. Now, if I need to view only in Mumbai, now let's disable the first one where you can see the Mumbai related one alone. So, if you need to see all, we can select all. So, while you can, if I get into that, you can see all the records will be there. And if you need to filter it out, we can filter it out based on the branch wise over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.